As enterprise networks shift to software-defined concepts and virtualized functions, the plug-and-play approach is giving way to more complex staging methods that rely on the support of an expert partner. NCR Atleos is uniquely positioned to be that expert partner. Our dedicated telecom and technology team has decades of experience in logistics and project management. With a proven track record of delivering on-time, damage-free, and complete staging services, they can help your next deployment run smoothly from start to finish. Our state-of-the-art global staging centers are strategically sited around the world, so they're located where you need them to be. Enterprise customers are reaping the benefits of our staging services, including improved quality, 93% on-time parts arrivals, and reduced installation time. For example, we helped a leading U.S. home improvement chain grow by transforming its legacy national network, over 1,800 stores, into a modern PCI-compliant cloud platform. Using network function virtualization and custom staging, we reduced cost of store network and enabled quick, scalable installations for new stores. At NCR Atleos, our staging services use proven methodologies and processes, so your business keeps running with reduced interruptions and minimized business impact. With a track record of on-time delivery, zero errors, and proven solutions, NCR Atleos makes deployment easy for you and your customers.